Why most beginners fail at making money online and how to actually succeed making money. Online has never been more popular than it is today. Everywhere you look, people are talking about AI, passive income, affiliate marketing, and financial freedom. Yet, despite all this opportunity, most beginners feel confused, overwhelmed, and stuck. If you've ever felt like making money online sounds good but doesn't feel real for you, you're not alone. The truth is, the problem isn't a lack of opportunity. The problem is a lack of clarity. Most beginners fail not because online income doesn't work, but because they start the journey with the wrong expectations. The biggest misunderstanding about making money online. Many people believe making money online is about finding a shortcut. They think there is a secret website, a hidden tool, or a magic system that will suddenly start printing money. This mindset is the fastest way to fail. Making money online is not magic. It is not luck. And it is definitely not instant. Online income is built by learning skills, applying them consistently, and allowing time for results to compound. The sooner beginners understand this, the faster they stop chasing scams and start building something real. Why AI has changed the game for beginners. For the first time in history, beginners have access to tools that remove skill barriers. In the past, you needed to be a writer, designer, marketer, or tech expert to succeed online. Today, AI tools can assist with all of that. AI can help you create content ideas, write posts and scripts, design simple digital products, build basic funnels, automate repetitive tasks. However, AI is not a replacement for effort. It is a productivity tool. People who expect AI to do the work for them usually fail. People who use AI to work faster and smarter usually succeed. The difference is how AI is used. One clear path is better than 10 confusing ones. One of the biggest reasons beginners fail is overload. They try affiliate marketing today, freelancing tomorrow, dropshipping next week, and crypto the week after. This constant switching creates confusion and burnout. Success online comes from focus, not variety. Instead of chasing multiple methods, beginners should choose one platform, one skill, one income model, then commit to it long enough to see results. The power of short form content. For MMO short form content, platforms like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts have created one of the biggest opportunities in online business. These platforms push content to new audiences every day, even if you have zero followers. This means beginners don't need ads, large audiences, or expensive tools. They need consistency and clarity. Short videos allow you to share simple ideas, build trust quickly, attract attention organically, promote offers naturally. When combined with AI, content creation becomes faster and less intimidating. Affiliate marketing, the easiest entry point. Affiliate marketing is one of the most beginner friendly ways to make money online because it removes complexity. You don't need to create a product, handle customer support, or worry about delivery. Your role is simply to connect people with solutions. When done ethically, affiliate marketing builds long-term income and trust. When done poorly, it destroys credibility. Beginners should focus on promoting products they understand and believe in, not just high commission offers. Trust is the real currency online. Why consistency beats talent every time? Many beginners believe they are not good enough to succeed online. They think others are more confident, more talented, or more experienced. This belief is false. Online success does not come from talent, it comes from repetition. The person who posts consistently for 6 months will always outperform the person who posts perfectly for 2 weeks and quits. Confidence is built through action, not waiting. Every video, post, or piece of content is a digital asset. Over time, these assets compound. Realistic expectations create real results. Beginners must understand that online income is delayed gratification. You don't post once and earn forever, you build momentum. You improve over time, you learn from mistakes. The first phase is confusion. The second phase is learning. The third phase is growth. Most people quit in phase 1. Those who stay long enough eventually experience something powerful. Leverage. One piece of content starts working while you sleep. One idea brings results weeks later. That's when online income starts to feel real. Making money online is a long-term skill. The most important shift beginners can make is this. Stop treating online income like a trick and start treating it like a skill. Skills compound, knowledge compounds, effort compounds. AI will continue to evolve, platforms will continue to change, but people who understand fundamentals, content, trust, consistency, and problem solving will always find ways to succeed. Final thoughts. Making money online is possible, but not for people looking for shortcuts. It is possible for people who are willing to learn, focus, and stay consistent. AI is a tool, not a miracle. Content is leverage, not luck. Consistency is the real advantage. If beginners stop chasing hype and start building skills, online income stops being confusing and starts becoming achievable. The opportunity is real. The question is whether you're willing to stick with it long enough to see results.